Hello to the enthusiastic aspirants. Welcome back to our channel. And जो लोग नए हैं, I am Parth Singhani and I'll be your guiding light towards the visa and immigration process for the countries like Canada, Australia, UK, USA, etc. जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, there are three ways to travel in any countries around the world. First is tourist visa, second is student visa, and third you can apply for the permanent residency for that particular country. Out of that, we are going to talk about the student visa in Australia today. My most evident reason to make the video on this topic is students are having many questions in their mind like where, when, how, which, etc. while making the decision for the further education and while selecting the country. Out of that, let's talk about the Australia. As we all know, Australia is the land of kangaroos, and on top of that, it is also a land of abundant opportunities for the international students. So, now let's talk about why Australia. Australian universities are globally recognized, जो students को provide करती है diversified course option. And उसी वजह से Australia becomes the third most popular country for the education purpose or for the higher education. उसके साथ साथ अगर देखने जाए तो Australia is also a culturally diverse country, which also provides an abundant job opportunities, whether it is a part-time job opportunity or a full-time job opportunity for the international students as well. अब ये तो बात हुई why Australia. आपके लिए Australian education system भी जानना उतना ही जरूरी है. So let me explain you the education system of Australia. Australian education system and Indian education system में ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. In Australia, it is 12 plus 3 or 4 years की bachelor's degree followed by 2 years of master's degree. In Australia, college is a smaller institution which is usually focusing on to small trade and technical certified courses. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे तो आखिर में एडमिशन ले कहाँ पर? If you are an Indian student seeking a higher education in Australia, you can take an admission into any of the universities in bachelor's degree or master's degree based on your academic qualification. अब ये तो आप समझ गए होंगे कि आपको एडमिशन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज में लेना है, बट अब उसके लिए रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या हो सकती है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर टेकिंग एडमिशंस एंड वीजा फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Accepts PT as well as IELTS as a designated testing agency to test your English language proficiency when it comes to the admission as well as visa purpose. अब ये तो बात हुई कि कौन सी एग्जाम आप दे सकते हो, बट हाउ मच यू शुड स्कोर. अगर आप एक इंडियन स्टूडेंट हो who is seeking an admission into a bachelor's degree, आपको मिनिमम स्कोर करने पड़ेंगे ओवरऑल 6 बेंच, नॉट लेस देन 6 इन एनी अदर मॉड्यूल्स. हाँ, कोई यूनिवर्सिटीज है जो 5.5 भी चलाएगी when it comes to the bachelor's degree, and in PT you should be scoring at least 50 overall, not less than 50 marks in individual modules. But if you are seeking admission into a master's degree in any of the university, your overall score in IELTS should be overall 6.5 bands, not less than 6 bands, and overall 58 marks in PT, not less than 15 any of the modules. अब ये तो बात हुई requirements की. Now let's talk about the topic in which parents are concerned the most about. You are right, fees. The cost of studying bachelor's degree or master's degree in Australia is 12,000 Australian dollars to 18,000 Australian dollars per semester, जो हो गए करीबन 6 लाख रुपए से लेकर 9 लाख रुपए पर सेमेस्टर. ये फीस सुनकर इतनी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can even apply for a scholarship from up to 10% to 30% on the total tuition fees of the academics based on your academic qualification and your score of IELTS and PT. अब ये तो बात हुई फीस की. What about the visa? Let's discuss about the requirements of the visa for Australia. Now there are few criteria जो आपको fulfill करने पड़ेंगे before applying for a visa. The first criteria is आपको minimum 21,041 Australian dollars दिखाने पड़ेंगे, which is basically around 11 lakh rupees, which will be the living expense of 1 year in Australia. On top of that, you are supposed to pay 1200 to 1800 Australian dollars, which will be your OSHC, that is Overseas Student Health Cover. उसके अलावा आपको आपकी मिनिमम एक सेमेस्टर की फीस भी दिखानी पड़ेगी. जैसे ये तीनों क्राइटेरियाज आप फुलफिल करोगे, यू विल गेट अ COE, which is confirmation of acceptance, and only after that you will be able to apply for the student visa in Australia. तो ये तो बात हुई ऑस्ट्रेलिया स्टूडेंट वीजा की. प्लीज नोट कीजिएगा कि ये जो मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है इज जस्ट अ बेसिक लेवल इन्फॉर्मेशन, इज नॉट द एक्सक्लूसिव इन्फॉर्मेशन. दिस इज अ रियली वास्ट फील्ड, एंड आप जितने भी ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर करने जाओगे कम लगेंगे, बट हैविंग अ क्लियर माइंड रियली हेल्प्स. All you need to do is keep your mind focused until you reach your desired country. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also share our channel with the fellow aspirants or to-be aspirants. Also, you can put down your recommendations, questions and queries into the comment section below. Until then, have a dazzling career ahead.